Hey friends, Scott Holmes again, back at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Standing in front of another 2024 Bennington 24 SX swingback. This boat is a tri-tune with the full-length SPS tri-tune package. 24 foot in length, has the rippled panel black with the metallic silver accent. Beautiful boat. You've probably seen another couple videos that we've had of these. We got a special on them from Bennington. And let me take you here to the back and show you a little bit about it and tell you about the special deal we got going on them. First, take a look at the big extended aft deck on this. The swingback seat. It's got the 250 horsepower Mercury V8 with ski tow bar. The retractable lily pad ladder with strap to help pull it back in. It's spring assisted. Take a look at the wraparound seating. And then flip this reversible seat. And now you have nice rear facing seating. A couple cup holders over there. That table is removable. Our dash here has the throttle located down there alongside the driver for a nice comfortable driving position. Simrad digital dash with chart plotter, GPS, Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. Two large forward chase loungers that wrap around for a nice versatile seating arrangement. Portable cup holders will allow you to place them anywhere. Storage underneath all our seats, including trash can. All of this boat for $79,999. We've got a couple of them. I think around 4 left. We started with around 8. You can load up all your friends and family on this boat and have plenty of power to pull skiers, tubers, or do whatever. Outrun the storms or just have fun going across the water. We got a great inventory of boats here as always. Even models like the Bennington QX. Well, please come see us here at MarineMax in Greenville.